I consider that the painting is finished, but I need to put a background to this painting. Well, I want to put a background. So since this is a commission, I just need to offer my client several possibilities. So let's see the trick I use. Here I've got a piece. It can be hard plastic, or it can be a piece of glass, whichever. Okay, you put it on top. You put it on top of the painting, and then you choose a color. For example, I decided to choose cobalt blue, and I start painting to create a background. I'm going to choose and put another color. I don't want the whole thing to have a background. So now I clean the parts that are affected by the background. Alright, and what I do is I take a picture. So the client can decide if she likes this background or she would rather have a different background. So again, what I do is I get a cloth, a wet cloth, I clean it. Okay, and I start the process again with another color. For example, I decide that I'm going to put yellow ochre. I'm going to put yellow ochre because I want to keep the same colors. Right? I wanted to keep the same colors. And maybe I want to put a little bit of brown here as well. So the transition is not that hard. And again I take a picture and I send it to a client, so I can give my client several options on how she may want the background.